kids asked me if I wanted some zucchini, and I said sure. Oh my. Never underestimate someone's garden. My brother-in-law who lives in Canada, he says in zucchini season, the summer, everybody locks their doors because if they don't, they know they'll come back to find a big bag of zucchini. Now I understand. Oh goodness, what are we going to do? Oh. Look who came to visit me. All the way from Kentucky. I'm so excited to have her here, and we had to do a little cooking show together since she's here visiting. We're going away on a family vacation next week, and so we're all excited.
Today we're going to show you some recipes to use up all your zucchini from your garden harvest.
Well, maybe not all. As you can see, we ended up with quite a bit, so I don't think we're going to make a dent in that. But we're going to learn a few recipes that are delicious and I think you'll enjoy, and glad to have in your recipe box. Let's get to it. Today I'm going to be making whole wheat zucchini bread. Okay, here are the ingredients you need to make the zucchini bread. 3 eggs, 1 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 1/3 cups of whole wheat flour. You can also use all-purpose flour if you like, but I'm using a pastry whole wheat flour. You need 2 teaspoons of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. 1 1/2 cups of grated zucchini, 1 1/2 cups of grated carrots, 1 cup of chopped nuts, and a 1/2 cup of raisins. Okay, you take your 1 1/2 cups of grated zucchini and put it on some paper towels and blot it dry, because there's a lot of moisture in zucchini. So you want to try and get a lot of that extra moisture out. Into the bowl of your freestanding mixer, crack 3 eggs. Add your sugar and your oil, as well as your vanilla. Now turn it on, let it mix. While it's mixing, into another mixing bowl, add your dry ingredients, which is your flour and your baking powder, soda, salt, and cinnamon. Okay, our wet ingredients have been mixed thoroughly, so I'm going to turn this off. Then I'm just going to get a spoon to mix all of our dry ingredients together. Combine them thoroughly.
I'm going to make blueberry zucchini muffins with a lemon glaze. To start off with, you will need 2 small eggs or 1 large egg. 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup buttermilk, 1 1/2 teaspoons vanilla, So you may be wondering why I'm using this old-fashioned beater, but it was a race for the KitchenAid and you can guess who won. Beat well until everything is combined. Next, add 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon salt. Whisk those ingredients in. 2 cups of all-purpose flour and fold it in. Followed with 1 cup of zucchini, finally add 1 cup of blueberries. Try not to squish the blueberries.
Okay, into the bowl of your mixer, add your dry ingredients and just stir till it's combined. Do not overmix because that will cause you to have bread that falls. Okay, we're going to add in our carrot, our raisins, add our zucchini, and our nuts. Now we just want to stir this real briefly. Okay, I'm going to finish stirring it in with a spoon because I don't want to overmix it. It may look fine on top, but you want to be sure all the flour and everything underneath has been incorporated. Okay, take 2 9x5 pans, or something close, and I love my Pampered Chef stoneware, so I'm going to use that as one of my pans. And then this glass one. Pour the batter into your prepared pan. Into your preheated 350-degree oven, slide your zucchini bread. Let it cook for 55 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean.
Okay, back to the muffins. You're going to spray your muffin tins with non-stick cooking spray. Fill them about 3/4 full. I like to use this handy little scoop. Put your muffins in at 375 and bake for 25 minutes until golden brown or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. For the glaze, you're going to start off by adding 1.5 cups powdered sugar along with 3 tablespoons lemon juice. I ended up adding more powdered sugar because you're wanting a thick glaze but still spreadable. Okay, these were done after being 22 minutes in the oven. Here we go. Woo! Beautiful! Now you're just going to spoon the glaze onto each muffin.